Let's take a peek in my planner. Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. Today I wanted to share with you what a week looks like in my planner, how I stay organized, what I do on a weekly basis. It's taken me a long time to figure things out, and I feel my system is still evolving. So this current layout and system might change. It's already changed quite a bit since the last time I shared it on Instagram stories. If you'd like to see that, it's saved in my Instagram highlights. The week that I'm going to show you is the week of 4th of May to the 10th of May. That's the week that just went by. I'll quickly walk you through so you get a context as to how my week is laid out. So this is my monthly calendar. Earlier it was a month in 2 pages, but now I like this month on 1 page. This layout of a month on 1 page works out perfectly for the season that we are in right now. The next thing I have over here is all my goals that I want to hit in this month. So I have my family and home, my personal goals, and my work goals. Now this is a future log that I have, so throughout the week, whatever I think of that I need to take care of in the coming week or month, I jot them down here so that when I'm planning my next week, I can see what tasks I want to carry forward in those weeks. Then is my week on 1 page. So my week on 1 page looks like this. I have my priorities over here. Anything that needs to get done on a particular day, I have them all over here. And all the tasks that I want to get done this week are all jotted down over here. Now I have my own keys. So anything that is circle that represents tasks that are more of house and family related. Anything that is in a square is my work related tasks, and anything that is a triangle is my personal stuff. And once I get done with a task, I just color them. I finished these tasks, so I'll just color them. Sometimes I don't get to these things during the week, so when I'm planning my next week, I'll just quickly go over them and see what I got done and what I didn't. So these were the tasks that I wanted to get done this week, and luckily I did not pile on a lot of things to do for this week, so I got through all of them. But that's not what happens every week. There are a lot of times when I don't get to all the activities and I have to carry them forward. So in that case, I just put an arrow like this and I carry them forward. Now this is a layout that I tried for this week, and I feel it really helped me get to all of these tasks. I used this layout the week before. I wanted to try this layout and it didn't really work out for me that well, at least not right now, and I wanted to try this layout. All these layouts are by Day Designer. If you're interested in them, I'll leave the link to their website in the description below. All these layouts are free on their website, and I'm very grateful to them for having these beautiful layouts for free. For people like me who are not quite sure what they want, these free layouts really work out well. This layout is something that I created on my own in Microsoft Word. If you're interested, I'll link this as well. This side, I wanted to keep an overview of what I want my week to look like. So I have blocked time here. Every day, the 3 activities that I want to hit, irrespective whether or not I get anything else done for that day, I wanted to hit these 3 activities, so that's what is over here. The chores or any activities that I wanted to get done, I jotted them down here, and as I went through the day, if there was something that I wanted to write down, I would use this space. I tried this meal section over here and I have mixed feelings about it. It really helps, but at times I didn't stick with what I wrote over here. When I went to the kitchen, I just cooked whatever I felt like. So these time blocks that I have, I just wanted to quickly touch on this, what I mean by work. So I have blocked these chunk of time and I have a list of things that I would want to do in that time. So when it came to me sitting at my desk to do some work, I knew all the things that I wanted to do, and I could prioritize what I wanted to do first and what could get done later on. Blocking time really helps. I usually do this on my Google Calendar, and I get a notification when I have those time blocks, and that really helps me create some sort of a routine. Same goes for my house chores that I have blocked time for. I don't want to plan out things that minutely because it's not going to happen and I don't want to stress about it. You'll see that there are these time blocks that don't have any activity assigned to them, and that's because I'm not going to stop working the minute the clock hits 8. If something overflows into another block of time, I don't stress about it, and that's why these buffer areas are, because I know for sure things will spill over. And also I want to have some white space where I'm not constantly doing something and I can take it easy. So I have my dailies for all through 4th of May through 10th of May. The idea is not to be very strict about the routines. I want to be flexible. I treat this just like a guardrail, so I know what I want to do in what blocks of time. So today is the 10th, and what is scheduled for today is to review this week and plan for next week. So I'll see what all things I got done and what I couldn't get through, and I'll carry them forward in my next week. I'll also take a look at my goals page, what all I wanted to get done this month that I can schedule for this week, as well as this future log. I'll also make sure that I update my trackers. Another thing that I do while reviewing my week is I go through my emails and I schedule time for my emails. I'll also make sure to check my 90-day plan sheet that's here. So I'll go through this, see what tasks are done, what I need to carry forward. So I'll do all that. I use the 90-day plan workbook to work out all my tasks for the next 90 days. If you're interested in this workbook, there's a link in the description. I have links to all my books there. Now I'll sit down and I'll work on my next week. So this is what a week looks like for me. This is how I keep track of things, how I stay organized. The aim is not to keep my planner full. It's to make sure that I can get done as much as I can. Make sure to check the description section below. I have listed the shops from where I got these printable layouts. Let me know in the comments below if you are a planner person and whether you like the good old paper and pen or you like things in a digital format. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. On this channel, I mostly talk about author stuff with some productivity things. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel. If you're new to self-publishing, check out this video. And if you're into goals and stuff, check out this one. And I'll see you there.